idle and Pandas-Python. I am trying to launch this code that I have found from my IPython notebook. I also add some code like interactive true, and my problem is when I use run module with idle it launches the data.plot, then it loads and nothing happens. The data.plot doesn't seem to work. Thanks if you have any idea. Note, without interactive true a box show up with runtime error.
Try display data.plot params. To import it, try from ipython.core.display import display. This worked for me in some IPython notebooks.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.